not gonna play with you. No. No more. I'm tired. I'm tired. No more. I'm tired, Oki. Push it tired too. Oki, I'm tired, buddy. That's it. No more. No. Okay? No more. No more. Why do you want to play some more? I'm tired. I've been tossing for like 2 hours. My arm hurts. Come on. This beach time is our time, not just Oki time. It's Oki, Portia, and Mama time. Okay? So, enough. No more, Oki. Look, I'm tired. Just a little selfish there, aren't you, Oki? Just because we're on the beach. Oh, come on, Oki. No more. Look how nice this beautiful beach is. No more. I'm not playing with you anymore. No more, Oki. Come on. If I did 2 more hours, my arm hurts. I'm tired. I am tired. That's it. I don't want to play anymore. I don't want to play anymore. Oh my gosh. You are crazy. Fine. I guess he's gonna get what he wants. Because it's Oki time. Alright? Fine. It is Oki time. Ah! Oh! And then he's gonna drop it. You happy now, Oki? Cool. Where's your ball? Oh, good boy. At least if you want to play, you bring me your ball, right? Okay. And we continue on, but at least he's bringing me the ball back all the way to me, which is nice. Right, Portia? Which is really nice. Oh, look at that. Just, oh, look at your face. It's all sandy. Oki, see your face. You want to just look at the ball. Fine. Here we go. You ready? You ready? Okay, ready. Okay, ready. Oki, give me your ball. Oki, you want to give me your ball? Dude, do you ever get tired? We've been doing this for a long time. For 2 hours. 2 long hours. play and play and play and play. Go in the water. That's all he wants to do. This is his life. That's what he lives for. Living in San Francisco. Let's go. Frisco. Coco. Momo. Co. At set. To the set. To the avenues. To the Mo. All the way to the Livermore. All the way to Oklahoma City. All the way from Fremont, which that's where Peace is from.